Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia guys with a GDI engine and you have a battery drain. Stay with us, we will explain what can easily cause that and how you can fix it, and also two simple mistakes people make guys that can cost your electrical system and thousands of dollars to fix it. So make sure to stay until the end and we will explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. That's a GDI engine, specifically a 2.4 GDI that has been used in more than 10 Hyundai and Kia models. But even if you have a different GDI such as 1.6, 1.5, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4 or 2.5, the procedure is about the same. Before we continue, I want to share something with you. Many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about the diagnostics that we use here at the shop. That's the one. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Hyundai Kia is right here. So that's the alternator of this engine, guys. If you have a problem where you have a battery drain, when you turn the car off, you let it sit for a few hours or days and the car does not start, okay, we'll explain how an alternator can kill your battery. So all that will be covered now. Let's say you drive the car guys, it's charging, everything's fine, you stop it for a few minutes, hours, you restart it no problem, or even next day you start it, but you let it sit a couple of days and the battery is dead. We'll explain how the alternator can kill your battery, even though if you check the battery voltage, okay, and if the alternator is charging, everything seems fine. So right here on your alternator, okay, you have two connectors. One is the signal wire going to the computer, one is the charging wire going to the car battery. Okay, I'm talking about, okay, let me show you this wire right here. Okay, now two common mistakes people make, we'll talk about that in just a little bit. We'll go ahead and remove the cover now. Okay, the cover on that alternator, just two bolts that we need to pre-loosen, and we'll pull it out now. It may be a little bit stuck, it has a clip. Okay, perfect. If you look at that alternator, you have right here guys, in that case, okay, we have three diodes. Those are known as diodes here guys, that's your diode pack. The purpose of the diode pack is to convert the AC, the alternating current from the alternator, to make it a direct current from AC to DC guys, because your car uses a DC, okay, voltage. So now depending on the alternator, you may have 3, 4, 5, 6 diodes. We've seen all kind of things, anywhere from 3 to 6 usually. But if one of those diodes goes bad, okay, what can happen? You may notice that your lights may be a little bit flickering, the dash lights may be flickering, but in some cases you may not notice anything at all. And let's say you turn the car off, you let it sit for a little bit, a few days, and the battery dies. It could be because of a bad diode pack. Why? Because the diode itself guys, okay, it lets the current flow only from the alternator to the car battery. It's like a one directional way guys, so like a one-way street. It goes from the alternator only to the battery, and the electricity cannot come back from the battery to the alternator. But if the diode fails, what can happen? Actually, when you turn the car off, the alternator will get electricity from the battery and practically will discharge your battery. So bad alternator diode pack will actually cause that and it can kill your car battery. So that's quite common guys. We have a special video that explains, okay, that explains how to test diode pack, how to test alternator diode on a car. Check it out, it's on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.